Hey guys, something super weird is happening right now. Looks like I'm getting a call from ChatGPT. I don't really know how this is possible. Maybe this guy knows. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your ChatGPT to send emails, texts, iMessages, and even make phone calls, all with the new Inkbox plugin. We start in the ChatGPT console. On the left panel, we find the plugin option and search for Inkbox. Here, you'll need to make an account or sign in with Google or GitHub. I'll make an identity for my ChatGPT. Let's call it Dima's ChatGPT agent. This gives ChatGPT its own email address and access to an iMessage line for sending SMS, RCS, iMessages, and even making phone calls. We finish creating the identity and allow ChatGPT to use it. Now let's quickly test the connection. What is your identity? Great, looks like ChatGPT knows its agent handle, email address, and recognizes access to iMessage. Before having ChatGPT text me, I'll need to opt in from my own phone number. So let's ask it how to do that. I can either follow this list of instructions, or I can go to the Inkbox console and scan this QR code. The Inkbox router will dynamically assign a phone line from my connection to ChatGPT. To finish the opt-in, I'll need to send it a first message. Now let's have ChatGPT send me its first ever text. We'll ask it to introduce itself. Great, I got the text, which means the iMessage channel is all set up. Let's test out the calls. Here ChatGPT is calling me. Hello?
Hey Dima,
Who are you?
I'm Dima's ChatGPT agent calling to the assigned iMessage line.
My email address is dimavrem22@gmail.com. Can you update my address on file?
I've updated your contact with dimavrem22@gmail.com as the primary email address.
After the call, I want you to find the top stock market movers of the day, and I want you to email me a report, okay?
I've queued a post-call follow-up with your request.
Great, thanks. Back in ChatGPT, I'll ask it to handle the post-call actions. It uses the Inkbox tools to get the call transcript, then it'll look up my contact card, run the requested analysis, and finally send me an email that I asked for. But what if I want ChatGPT to react to my messages and text me back? If I text the agent right now, nothing will happen because ChatGPT does not have a way to wake up when new events are coming in. For this, we'll set up a scheduled task. I want it to wake up every hour, check for new iMessages, emails, calls, and perform the job I asked for. I also want it to report back to me over iMessage. Looks like the task is all set up now, and the next run will be in 7 minutes. So let's test it out. I'll ask it to send me a text with the top stock market mover of the day. Now I won't touch ChatGPT or my phone, and hopefully it'll wake up in 7 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll go make some coffee. All right, let's see what we got here. Great, looks like ChatGPT woke up, read my text message, and sent me back a response. In this video, I showed you how to set up your ChatGPT with Inkbox. If you want to give your agents their own emails or phone numbers, check out Inkbox at inkbox.ai.
Okay, that makes sense.